Hello friends, today I'd like to guide how we can make an engaging long YouTube video thumbnail using Canva. So first of all, here is the Canva and we need to create a page size 1280 is to 720 because this is the YouTube standard long video thumbnail size. Then create a new design. So the thumbnail is related with freelancing or people per hour. So let me find a template, relevant template first. Uh, Freelancing, freelancer. Yeah, these are actually the templates. So let me choose a better template first. Yeah, these are the template or freelancer income or something else. Yeah, we can definitely use this. And we can also use this. Okay, I'm just going to use it. So let me make the image smaller. Then let me edit the text. I have already written some hooks like this. Is people para real or fake? This is my hook contents that I need to use on the thumbnail because writing on thumbnail is most important actually. Or I can just remove it, then text, add a heading, write it, then make it two line. Yeah, I think white color text will match a lot. So let me make the color white and the font is Canvas. This is standard font. Let me make the font bigger. Then the second is text. Let me remove it and copy this line. Then let me take a subheading, remove the space. Yeah, but I can make it a different color like this one, glowing color. I think a glowing color will be very well like this. So the thumbnail is ready. Just we can use it. And one more thing here, and if is missing. Yeah, so thumbnail is ready. Thank you guys.